Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke, and check out what we have here today. So this is a 1997 Lamborghini Diablo, but this is a one-of-one owned by Donald Trump himself. So he special ordered this car in this Blu Le Mans color, so it is a one-of-one car. It even has a Donald Trump plaque on the inside. So he was able to special order this vehicle because he had great relationships with Lamborghini over the years, who provided him loaner cars for promotional reasons. And so he finally decided to pull the trigger for his own, and we have it here in this gorgeous Blu Le Mans paint. Now it is a 5.7 liter 48 valve V12 engine with a top speed of 203 miles per hour, mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. So 132 of these cars were produced from 1997 to 1999. Trump ended up selling his in 2002, and it has gone through 2 other owners in the meantime. And it's gonna go on sale here today on Saturday. So this is a really big deal having this car here. So as we move down just a little bit to check out kind of what's on the inside, very brief, we have a gorgeous 2-tone interior, the white on the black with this blue. God, it looks so good. One other thing making this vehicle special is not only that it was the only one in this colorway. There is a little Easter egg on the back here. It has a Trump 2016 sticker on the back. Little nice touch. I mean, behind these red robes, no one really can view it except for you guys and except for us who have exclusive access to vehicles like these. So if you want to see more, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for our future videos.
And we now have a Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster, which was bought new and ordered by Donald Trump. The only 1997 Diablo in Blu Le Mans.
And these VT Roadsters, they were quite rare on their own without the Trump connection. Very rare with the VT Roadster, where that top's a single piece of carbon fiber that is removable and it clips onto the rear bonnet. VT also means all-wheel drive, so that almost 500 horsepower V12 in the back really hooks up. Gated manual transmission inside, and of course the iconic Lambo doors, those scissor doors that pop up, showing that you've arrived.
The VT stands for viscous traction, which is that all-wheel drive system.
Well, we were wondering what the Trump connection would do with this Diablo, and I would say probably double at the current bid what a normal VT Roadster would bring. And this one was driven and enjoyed for several years by former President Donald Trump. And just crossed $1 million.
Now this car has had 2 owners since Trump owned it. And when he bought this, he was a businessman and a reality TV star. And there we go. $1 million is the hammer price.
Guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.